welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Ifyok. I'm the owner and founder of MAD Collection. So in this video, making this hair bonnet on my head. It is nice and comfy fit. It's got elastic all the way around and it is quite snug without being too tight. And the materials are going to be needed be the main fabric, which is this one. I've got the satin lining fabric, so it's going to be a reversible bonnet. I've also got an elastic band and obviously some measuring tape and some scissors, safety pin to pass the elastic through the hair bonnet elastic casing. So the measurements would be the circumference of an adult head size. This is usually between 20 to 22 inches. I'm going to be using a 22 inches head circumference for this tutorial. This is a 28 inches wide fabric. So this is 28 inches. I've folded it once like so, and I've folded it again for the second time. So all together we've got 4 fabrics on fold, and this is the open side, this is the closed edge. I need to emphasize that we're going to be taking our measurement from this closed edge. If you try from this side, that is the open side, obviously it's not going to come out well. So we're using this closed edge just for emphasis. So what we'll need to do is I'm going to be making this using 13 inches for the circumference of this head wrap. If you want it bigger, obviously you can do 13 or 14 inches. If you want it smaller, you can do between a 10 to 12 inches. But for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to be doing 13 inches. So I'll just put my measuring tape on here, and then I'll mark where 13 inches would be. And then I'll just keep taking it all the way around. So I'll just hold it on there. So one trick I found that works really well is I will take the head of the measuring tape, I'll put that on there, and then I'll get the 13 inches, and then I will just go all the way around on it. Okay, and then I would cut that out. So I'll do the same thing for the lining fabric, cutting it in the same exact place as I've cut. I'm going to be using the same, using this as a pattern to cut the lining piece. Okay, so we've got a full circle. So I'll put it on like so. Okay, so now that I have cut both fabrics, so that's the lining fabric and that is the main fabric, and they're both right side facing. I'll just repeat that again. So it's right side facing, and both of them are on there. So what I'll do is I'll take this to my sewing machine and I'll sew all the way around, and then just leave 2 inches for me to be able to bring the wrong side, to bring the fabric to the correct side. So I'll just sew all the way around and come back and show you what I'm doing. Okay, so I've just sewn it round all the way around, and I've just left this 2-inch opening. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to get pass the fabric out of it. Okay, so I've turned it to the right way round, and I have just, so that's the opening I've left for the elastic. So what I will do is I have got this. Okay, so that's the elastic band I'm going to be using, and this elastic band is a 1-inch width elastic band. So I'm going to be making another circle, and this time I'm going to be making the circle to be 1 1/4 inch, just so the elastic band can sit in this hole, in the space nicely. So I'll just try and mark 1 1/4 inch all the way around, just so when I take this to my sewing machine, I know where I want the lines to be. So I'm just going to go round and still leaving that same opening as I had before. Okay, so I've just finished sewing the second circle. So I'll just start to pass the elastic in between this. No. Okay, so that's what the hair bonnet looks like. So this is a reversible hair bonnet, and that's what the other side looks like. So I'm just going to be trying it on so you can see what it looks like. All right, guys, hopefully you've enjoyed the content of this video. If you have, you know what to do. Remember to thumbs up, like, subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and turn on the bell notification so when I post any upcoming videos you get notified. And if you've got any questions, leave that in the comment section down below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Take care. Bye.